Drill activities in schools offer numerous benefits for students. They help improve physical fitness, discipline, and teamwork. Regular drills instill a sense of punctuality and obedience while enhancing coordination and focus. Moreover, these activities promote a healthy lifestyle and boost students' confidence and overall mental alertness, preparing them for both academic and personal challenges. Drill activities in schools play a vital role in the holistic development of students. They not only enhance physical fitness, but also teach discipline, time management, and the importance of teamwork. Regular participation in drills improves coordination, balance, and overall endurance, fostering a healthy body and mind. These activities encourage students to follow instructions accurately, which helps develop focus and a sense of responsibility. Furthermore, drills promote unity and cooperation as students work together to achieve a common goal. By engaging in such structured exercises, students build self-confidence, mental alertness, and a disciplined approach to life.